Good morning and afternoon everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to share with you some important insight on the topic. Let's get started. Wait, before proceeding further, I will introduction myself. My name is Dandi Rafis Putra Kumara. My student identification number 172300817. I will presentation about computer and hardware. Okay, next I will explain computer first. Introduction to computer. Have definition, function, and main parts of computer. Okay, what is computer? A computer is electronic device and the manipulate information or data is have ability to store, decipher, and process data. Modern computer can perform with range of tasks from simple calculations and complex simulation. Okay, basic component of computer. Computer have four component. It's first CPU or central processor unit, RAM atau random access memory, 3 have a storage, 4 and motherboard. Okay, so many types of computer. I will explain for have a supercomputer, mainframes, personal computer, and mobile device. Next, computer system have three: hardware, software, and brainware or user. Okay, I will explain hardware first. Its meaning hardware refers the physical component of computer that can be seen and touched, such as in CPU, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and keyboard, mouse, and everything. And hardware function a tool for processing, storing, outputting data. Next, I have software. Software is program application that the computer hardware manage process and allow our user interact with the system. Explain include operating system and computer application. And three, I have a brainware or user. Brainware is refers the human computer. User who operate and control computer system. User play an important role as the setting up, managing and utilizing computer according their software. Software have three. It's like operating system, application software, and Unity software. Okay, first operating system. Operating system is the software, the manage hardware, and runs other software. I have two application software. Application software is program designed to help user perform specific tasks. Okay, I have a three Unity software. Unity software is like additional program that help maintain, optimize, and manage computer performance, and shit like that. Next topic, I will explain hardware, physical component, and their function. Explain what is hardware. Hardware is physical component of the computer to be seen that can be seen the touch directly. Hardware include device such as the CPU. I have a RAM, monitor, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, and printer. Hardware is the main element that enable computer to operate and to perform data processing, storage, input, output function. Without hardware, a computer cannot function because hardware is part execute command receiver from software user. Next, hard classification. I have five: input device, process device, storage device, output device, peripheral device. Input device that function, enter data instruction, instruction in the computer. 2. Process device. A device process income data can include the CPU or central processing unit. And 3. Storage device. A device the store data either permanently temporarily. Case plan include hard disk, SSD, just like that. And 4. I have output device. Device display all the outputs, result, and data processing from a computer. Explain ya, include monitor, speaker, and just like that. Okay, 5. I peripheral device. Additional device that help improve computer functionality, such as modems, routers, power supply, and casings, like that. Example of input device and their function. I have the 4: keyboard, mouse, scanner, and webcam or microphone. Keyboard is entering data command. Keyboard allow user to letter, number, and symbol into a computer. And 2. I have a mouse. Moving the cursor, select the command, mash and the switch control pointer in the screen. And 3. I have a scanner. Scanner converting physical document into digital from a scanner. Scan physical document like image, digital files, just like that. 4. Webcam and microphone. Capturing image and sound. Webcam capture image or video directly, while microphone records your sound, communication, or voice recording. Example process device and their function. I have 4: CPU, motherboard, RAM, and GPU. And first, CPU, the brain for the computer, process data instruction. The CPU, the main component that execute command. Maybe command from program. Okay. 2. I have motherboard. The main motherboard disconnect all component. The motherboard is like a circuit board that integrate the connect the CPU and RAM and storage device. Another. Okay. 3. I have RAM. RAM or random access memory, short and working memory for active application. RAM function as temporary storage from data instruction and being processed by CPU for fast efficient access. Okay, 4. I have GPU or graphic process unit. Process graphic and video. The GPU assists CPU in process graphic and visual information which is essential for demanding tasks and such as video rendering, gaming, graphic design, just like that. On another. Next. Example of storage device and their function. I have 3: hard disk drive, solid state drive, and flash drive. First, hard disk drive or HDD. Permanent data storage based on magnetic disk. HDD is the main storage device that stores large amounts of data permanently. It works by using rotating magnetic disk and read the write data. And 2. Solid state drive or SSD. Fast storage using memory chips. SSD use flash memory chips the storage data, making data read-write speed faster than HDD. 3. I have flash drive. Portable data storage. Flash drive, small storage device that's easy to carry, use transfer storage data permanently than permanently. Next, example of output device and their function. I have 3: monitor, printer, and speaker. Peripheral device. I have 3: power supply unit, casing, I/O cards. First, power supply unit or PSU provides electric to the computer. The PSU converts to electric from the main power source into the voltage record by various computer components to function. 2. I have a casing, protect hardware from the physical damage. The casing is a physical protective box that houses the protect the computer component from that impact or another physical damage. 3. I have I/O card. Connect the motherboard, the other device like sound card network. I/O cards explain to card add additional function on the computer such as sound capabilities, sound card and not networking, and just like that. Hardware component relationship diagram. I have an image like that. Each component hardware relationship diagram. Conclusion: hardware and computer. A computer is electronic device consisting of several main components, namely hardware, software, brainware, or user, all of which work together to support the optimal computer operation. Hardware, the physical parts of the computer that can be touched directly, such as the computer, RAM, motherboard, storage, and input-output device. Hardware is divided in several main categories, namely input device, processing device, and output device, and storage device, and peripheral device. Thank you for attention. See you the next time.